Trees in tropical rainforests play an important role in the water balance of the planet.
Yet, tropical rainforests in many parts of the world are likely to face more frequent or more severe droughts due to climate change.
I'm David Tung,
And I am Deborah Pigawa.
and we are part of Professor Susan Laurance's team at James Cook University, Australia.
With our collaborators from Spain and UK, we set out to investigate how drought will affect rainforest trees.
So, in the lowland rainforests of the Daintree, Professor Laurance has set up an infrastructure that will allow her to exclude the rainfall that gets to about half a hectare of the study plot.
So we're in the Daintree Drought Experiment, and I'm resting my hand on black bean, Castrodespermum, which is the biggest tree we have in our plot. And it uses about 400 litres a day of water on average.
The purpose of the experiment is not to kill trees. We just wanted to understand how trees are changing in the short term after 2 years of artificially created drought in the field. Specifically, we wanted to know if trees are changing their ability to conduct water, and one way to measure this change would be to look at their wood anatomy.
The wonderful thing about this experiment is that there's a canopy crane that allows us to assess branches 30 meters up in the rainforest canopy.
We collected branches from 4 species of trees in both the drought-affected and non-drought-affected areas of the forest.
And from these cut branch ends, we made anatomical sections to examine under the microscope. And we also measured other leaf traits related to plant water use.
Our findings has recently been published in Ecology and Evolution.
Yeah. Basically what we were finding is that the trees were changing in their wood anatomy because they had less water to use.
Some species develop small vessels when exposed to drought. And one of the species even starts to show blockages in the water conducting vessels.
So one of the things we can conclude from this study is that mature rainforest trees have some ability to adapt to changing water conditions. But at the same time, that also means that they are putting out less water into the environment.
Professor Laurance's ongoing drought experiment will help us understand better how these trees will respond to a more prolonged drought.